Bonjour, ma'am.
Bonjour, beta. Now it is not your free period, right?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So what did you do in your free period? All of you?
I eat my breakfast.
Breakfast, okay. All classes get a free period in a day?
No, ma'am, we were having a reasoning class, that's why. Ma'am, no one takes our reasoning class.
Okay, so you don't have reasoning only. Class 6 doesn't have, or just class 6A doesn't have it?
Ma'am, class 6 we were having, but
And I don't know what happened to me today. I saw it in my timetable that my third period is also free. But I don't know how come I sent in that period only. Okay, anyways, what did we do last week?
ma'am, we have completed our second class.
Ma'am, 3 chapters.
Yes, ma'am, now we have to start the third chapter.
Ma'am, from the stationery I got these 2 books. So, ma'am, these
Very
2
nice.
books are there.
Wonderful. Now see children, today what we will do is, all of you take out your workbook.
1 second, ma'am.
All of you, those who have this book, take this one out. How many of you have this book?
Memo, exercise.
I have. Yes, Parth, exercise.
I have exercise 1.
Parth, why do you get so excited? Huh? Why?
Ma'am, I'm
Parth is super excited, right? Now what we are going to do, okay, those, listen, Shatakshi beta, do one thing. Shatakshi, send the picture, send the PDF of chapter 2.
Ma'am, please see.
Very good, very good. Parth, amazing.
Ma'am, this one you are talking about?
Yes, beta, this book. I'm talking about the blue book which says Cahiers d'exercice. See, what is the name of the book? Cahiers d'exercice, which means the notebook of the book of exercises. Yes, the book of exercises. Now, one of you hurry up and send the PDF of this from page number 11 to page
I can't send.
14.
I can send the PDF because my brother is also taking classes on the phone.
Vidushi, don't send. Shatakshi beta, can you send? Shatakshi, can you send the PDF of this chapter from page number 11 to 14? Shatakshi.
Ma'am, Sanidhya is sending.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm sending.
Send it, beta. Those who don't have the book, please see the PDF from the class group and start doing. Okay? Or let's all begin together. Don't start.
Ma'am,
doing it.
can you hear me?
Yes, Shatakshi, I can hear you. You are on low network today. Your video is pausing. Send it, beta. We will begin it together. Let's wait for the PDF and we'll all begin this chapter together.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubts in the second chapter, children? Compton ensemble. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, it is a very easy chapter all about numbers, alphabets, accents. These are what? These are the basics of French. So go through this chapter very nicely, and this is how you're going to get questions. Like we are doing in the workbook, in your exams, you're going to get similar kind of questions. A little tricky, little brainstorming. Okay, the PDF is there. My phone is on charging, so I can't check it. Let me see it here. It is still not there. Who is sending the PDF? All of you open your cameras. Mohammad Azhan. Mohammad Azhan, beta, please open your camera. Let me see your face. I haven't seen Mohammad Azhan in this class ever. Mohammad Azhan, are you there? No reply. Children, does he attend his classes regularly?
Yes, ma'am. He attends some classes.
Some classes. With his camera closed or open?
No, ma'am. Open.
You do not.
Then what is wrong, beta? Azhan, open your camera in my class too. Vansh, Daksh, hurry up and open your cameras. Who is sending the PDF? I want to know.
Ma'am, I have sent it.
You have sent. I have sent it. What word is send it, beta? Send it is any word? Tell me.
No, ma'am. I have sent it is the word.
Yes, I have sent, S-E-N-T, sent it. Now, everybody look at this first question. Children, I also want you to write the questions in English. Translate them in English so that when you get questions in your exams in French, you don't find any problem. See, I have shared the screen here. Now, the first question says, retrouver les nombres. Retrouver les nombres means find the number.
Find the number.
Yes. Now, what is the first number? What do you think is the first number?
And this is a 14 number. This is 14.
Yes, number 14. So what we are going to write? We are going to unjumble it and write the correct spellings. One of you please type the spellings of 14 in chat box. What is the number? The number is 14.
I'm just typing. Ma'am, I have typed. Ma'am, typed.
Okay. Then next one is, what is the next number?
Ma'am, 12.
Very nice. What is the spelling?
It is
Ashwina?
Dove. D-O-U-Z-E.
Wonderful. Do's, number 12. Now, what is the
Ma'am,
next
type the
number?
spelling in the chat box. Ma'am, 7.
7. What is the
Ma'am,
spelling?
7.
What is the correct spelling? S-E-P-T. Very good.
S-E-P-T.
S-E-P.
Ma'am, can I tell the next one? It is 19.
19. Very good. Spelling?
Ma'am, D-I-X-N-U-E-F.
N-E-U-F.
N-E-U-F. Sorry, ma'am.
It's N-E-U-A. Very good. Now, the second question says, ajute le. Ajute and apostrophe and then le. So it means add them. Le stands for them. Add them. Et écrivez en lettres. Écrivez means to write. Add them and write in letters.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written. I can read the first one.
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, 10 plus 3 is equal to 3. Means 13.
What is the spelling of trace?
Ma'am, T-R-E-I-Z-E.
Very good. Next is
Ma'am, can I tell the
nerve.
Ma'am, mu plus
Okay, we will not, children listen, we will not call it plus. Let's say it plus.
Plus.
And let's call equal to as égal.
Égal.
Let's talk in French.
Plus. Yeah.
9 plus 7 égale.
Seize.
Yes, seize.
16.
S-E-I-Z-E. Seize.
16.
Very good. Then, 8 plus 3 égale.
11. 11.
Very good. Then, these
And all. Dixit. Set.
these
Dixit.
plus 7 égale. These
Dixit. Dixit.
These set. Very
It
nice.
is 17.
Very good. Now, when you do the next exercise, just do it yourself. Complete avec les noms. Complete with the numbers. Okay? Avant means before.
Ma'am, in French only.
Yes, beta, in French only. Avant means before. Oh, what is this? And après means after. So you have to write what comes before, what comes after. Just do it. I'm giving you 2 minutes.
Ma'am, done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. What comes avant this week? Yes, keep saying your answers. Don't wait for me to take your name.
Ma'am, Dixit.
This
Ma'am, this
very good.
Dixit.
Et après this week,
Dixit.
this no.
Index new.
Very good.
Dixit.
Okay. Avant quatre.
Troy.
Avant quatre. Trois.
Intro.
Et après quatre.
Sing.
Cinq.
Ring.
Alors. Avant treize.
Down.
Douze.
Long.
Et après treize.
Quatorze.
Quatorze.
14.
Avant un.
0.
Zero.
Zero.
Et après un. The.
Ma'am, the.
We call it
The.
only the. D-E-U-X is called the. Okay. Now, coming on to the next page. What is the next page? This is the next page, I think. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What you have to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Écrivez en lettres. Now you have to write. Sorry, écrivez en français. You have to write in French. Now, these words. The first picture. How many boys are standing?
Ma'am, 4.
Ma'am, 4.
What is
Ma'am,
number?
quatre. Quat.
Ma'am,
Quatre. And what are boys called?
Ma'am, yeah.
Yes.
Ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, Greeks. Ma'am, guarcon.
Garçon.
Garçon. Garçon.
Garçon. So,
Garçon.
okay, children, now here we have many new words which you don't know. Let me just keep my board over here and I'll write the words on that. You will see and write now. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Children, can you see the screen clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I know what is cup in French.
What is?
And what is cup in French? Ma'am,
Yes,
in
I'll
the
tell you, but that
page
is why I'm writing on the board. Now, what is this page
And we
number?
can see in this book, the when we
Ma'am,
are
12 page number.
in this page number 31, we can see there is a table, and at the second last number, there is given cups. There is uentes.
Now, how many cups are there? The first one is quatre.
Ma'am, 7.
Then 7.
Quatre garçons. The first one is quatre garçons, right? The second one goes
Then 6 and 3.
sept tasses. TASSES. 7 cups. 7 cups. Okay. Then next we have
Ma'am, Dix Panier. Dix Panier.
Ma'am, the Spanish.
Parnier. Dix Panier. 1 Parnier.
yes. Now how many baskets are there? Very good.
Ma'am, 10. Dix. The
Panier.
Panier.
Then we have now how many bananas?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
How many
Then
bananas?
please scroll 13. 13. Trees.
Yes, ma'am.
Tres bananas. Okay? Tres bananas. Here, Now,
Yes, ma'am.
in this fifth exercise, what you're going to do, you have to find 4 numbers, right? Those who do not have the book, please find the numbers from here and send them in the chat box. Those who have the book, just try to find numbers yourself. I'm giving you 5 minutes to complete this activity. Okay? Let's do it. Even I will find, because in my book also it is not done.
Ma'am, I have also find one. Now I find one.
Now don't speak, just keep finding.
Okay. Ma'am, I also find.
Okay, children, all of you have found the all 4 numbers?
Ma'am, I find only 3. One is left.
Okay, do it, no problem. Children found?
No, ma'am.
Need help?
Ma'am, once again, let's try one time more. Ma'am, found.
Okay, Vidushi has found all. What about Ashmira, Shatakshi, Parth, everyone else? What about you all? Sanidhe?
Only one is left.
Okay, need
Ma'am,
time. Okay, do you need time to find it or you need help? Tell me.
Ma'am, time.
Time. All right, good. Keep trying. Very nice.
Ma'am, it was just near my eyes, but I can't see it now. I seen at the last.
Yes. Sometimes it doesn't strike also in our eyes because we are not used to seeing French numbers. Had it been in English, we would have easily and quickly found out all of them.
Ma'am, sometimes I found backward to my copies.
Okay.
Yes, they are also given.
Okay, children, when you feel that it's done and time is up, you will tell me, ma'am, let's move ahead. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, which is the next exercise? Can you tell me because I have done.
Next exercise is better just to pronounce these alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, like that. Only it says, do you know how to pronounce these letters?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can I tell the English letters that what are the letters that you have to find?
Numbers, yes, you can tell the numbers. Just give the
Okay,
hint.
ma'am. So the numbers that you have to find is 15. The second number is 10. You have to find 10 also. 15, 10. Then 9. Then you have to, the last number you have to find is 20.
Very nice.
9, 10, 15 and 20.
9, 10, 15 and 20. So which number is not coming in front of your eyes, children?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I found that.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I found number 10 also.
You have found all
Yes.
of them?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
9, 10, 15 and 20.
Found? Everybody, shall we move ahead now?
Yes, ma'am.
Those
Yes,
who are
ma'am.
not replying, I will not wait for them. Those who are into the
Ma'am,
class,
can I show that how it is?
beta, even they must have found. All of you have found these numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course they have.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Number 1 is in the second column, right? The standing ones are called columns. Vertically it is written. Number
Yes,
10
ma'am.
is written in the second line horizontally, the first 3 letters. Number
Yes, ma'am.
9 is written in the third line starting from the second letter, N-E-U-F. And number 15, second last column, vertically it is written. Okay.
Ma'am, I found number 4 also.
Number 4. But we were
Yes, sir.
supposed to find only any 4 numbers. So after finding these 4 numbers, I didn't even look at the yes. Number 4 is also given. Cap. Yes, beta.
9 is below the index.
9 is
10.
below. Yes.
10.
Yes. Just below the eye of number 10. Very good. Very nice. And please encircle these cans also. The one who has encircled all the numbers, Sanidhe. Very good. Okay, now
Ma'am, I
let's
have
move
done.
on to the next exercise, which is the next exercise is, children, just to pronounce these letters, these alphabets. So that we have.
Ma'am, I have learned.
Very good. Then after this, we have this exercise. Mettez les accents appropriés. Rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise. Yes, now it's fine. Now you have to put these accents. Just put it yourself. 2 minutes for this exercise.
Ma'am, what you have to do here?
Beta, you have to put accent. Accent aigu, accent grave, circumflex. Various accents that are missing on these.
Exercises are interesting.
Yes, very interesting. You can take help from your book, children. It is given in your tablet. Just open your.
Taking help from my notebook only.
Yes. You
Ma'am, I have done without the book.
Very good. Very nice. All right. Ashmira, which accent comes on the word teth? Name the accent.
Oh, accent conflicts.
Circumflex. Accent circumflex. Okay. Shatakshi, which accent comes in the word français?
Ma'am, accent gaga. Ma'am,
Accent
accent sandal.
sidel.
Ma'am, accent
Accent sidel. बेटा français.
Yes, ma'am.
français में C पे आता है ना? Yes. So it's called sidel. Okay. Vidushi, which accent comes on the third word? Noel.
No.
What is the
Ma'am,
name?
it is trema.
Very
Trema.
good. Trema. And it comes on which letter?
Ma'am, E.
E. Very nice. Okay. Any other student who wants to answer apart from these three girls? Shrek,
Ma'am, I
Akshay,
want to
Dak.
answer.
Who wants to answer?
Ma'am, I want to answer Vidushi.
No, beta, apart from you three girls, I'm asking. Daksh, Sanidhe, Mohammad Azan, Shrek Akkar. You want to answer? Parth Gupta? Okay, which accent comes on the fourth word? B-E-B-E. Which accent comes?
B-E-B-E.
Yes, tell me the name of the accent that comes on B-E-B-E.
B-E-B-E. Okay.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Can I?
Okay, tell, girls, you tell.
Ma'am, I tell.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
accent
on
again.
Monday, it
Ma'am,
will come. The accent, I argue. Let's argue.
Ma'am, accent argue.
Let's argue. Then it will be Baba.
Ma'am,
B-A-B-A.
accent gray.
No, it is bebe with accent
Yes,
aigu.
Babe.
Hmm.
But it will written as B-A-B-A like this.
Then which accent will come on the fifth word?
Ma'am, accent drum. Ma'am, accent drum.
Ma'am, accent grave.
Very good. It's accent grave on the first E. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, which is the eighth one?
Which one?
Ma'am, what is the eighth one?
Now the eighth one is complete by using stickers. Now in this book, are there any stickers given at the back? Yes, they are given.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to, don't paste it first. Let's discuss it first. Then I will give you time to paste. What you have to do is, you have to use subject pronouns. Like two girls are there in the first picture. So which subject pronoun will represent these two girls? Tell me.
Ma'am, E-double-L-E.
E-double-L-E-S.
Yes.
Ma'am, Alice.
E-double-L-E-S. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next one, single boy standing.
Ma'am, one second, I just.
Ma'am, two.
I-L-L. No,
Ma'am,
not
L.
L. No,
Ma'am,
not
L.
L. Ill. It is going to be ill because Ashmira, look at the fourth picture. The boy is pointing towards himself and saying I or me. So that will be je. Then this green boy is talking to the red boy.
Ma'am, the second one is J.
No, second one is ill. I-L-L.
Okay.
He.
Okay, ma'am.
The third one is ILS.
Ma'am, ILS is. Ma'am, ILS is.
Ma'am, S.
ILS, beta. Two boys are there.
Ma'am, ILS.
Yes. The fourth one is yo. I.
Ma'am, Joe.
Yes, yo. And the fifth one, the teacher is pointing all the girls. One person is pointing all the people.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Wo.
S.
Woo. No, he is addressing you
Ma'am,
all.
who?
Woo.
Ma'am, now can we paste the stickers?
Yes. Now just take out the stickers and start pasting them.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done the exercise.
Done. Who is still
Yes,
doing?
Ma'am, what we have to do in the 9th one?
Okay, children, now do one thing in the 9th one. What you will, this is a very important exercise. Just do it in your copies. Take out your copies. Write these sentences in French and leave a line under it so that you can write the English translation. Okay, and just give me 1 minute. Till the time, just write these 4 sentences like that, leaving a line under it. I will tell you the translation.
Ma'am, you have to leave one line for English translation also.